Life is too short. Enjoy every moment of it. Now that enjoyment that doesn't mean in any negative aspect. You must think what are the positive aspects, how I can lead my life in such a way that the people will remember. More than that, it is self-satisfying. The self-satisfaction comes when we do the work which actually gives us pleasure, that satisfaction, that divine feeling. And you know what? What we can do, I can give you 3 tips for it. Number 1, be with your parents, think about them, how you can help them, how you can make them happy. Number 2, just study hard, put your whole effort every single day so that you can achieve success in your life. And number 3, become a good human by serving more people. Humanity rocks, and there is nothing bigger than that. So be human, be kind, and lead your life happily. Thank you.